my god, yum. So I'm glad I'm doing this. 10,000 steps has been achieved. Like, men's footies just hit different. Good morning, friends. So today is Friday. I am actually so tired right now. I woke up at 5:05. Angel number, look it up. My dog was really cold, so I had to tuck him back into his bed. So today I don't have much planned. I have to do some work, do a training course for work, maybe some exercise, but I'm not sure because I'm super sore and it's so cold. Like, you know when it's so cold you just want to stay in bed? So I just want to put tracksuit pants on and a big hoodie and not actually do a workout, but we will see. And I kind of want to make a cake.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be
85 scheduled tasks. So let's drink this coffee. Also, if you haven't tried this Nescafe coffee, try it. It is so good. I want to get a coffee machine. Let me know if you have a coffee machine and what you recommend. I want one how you can like froth your own milk and have like the beans grinded and all of that. So yeah, let me know if you have one and which one you recommend, because I think I want the Barista Max. I think it's called Sunbeam Barista Max. But yeah, definitely open to suggestions, so let me know. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. Shoes, Adidas Ultra Boost. These are like a special edition one. Also featuring my dog this morning. The pants are just from Target. They're like a swimming suit material, but they have all of these seams and they're super frayed, so I don't know, they haven't lasted long. Shirt is from Nike. Just one of like, what are they called? Like a dry fit one. It's really cool, like blue and grey. Jacket is North Face, which I really love. Sunglasses, Louis Vuitton. These are really, really cool. So somehow I've decided, yes, I will go for a walk today. So probably only like half an hour or so, because I do need to do the work training thing. It is actually such a beautiful day today, so I'm glad I'm doing this. So I have my training in like half an hour. It's on Zoom, so I'm pretty sure they're not going to see me, but just in case, I'm like, I'm gonna just chuck a tiny bit of makeup on. so obsessed. This is my new fave hoodie. So welcome to my cooking segment. I am cooking the zesty orange cake. I've actually never made this before, so I thought, let's do this together. I've made flax eggs. I don't really like, or I don't buy eggs, and I don't really eat them, I guess, so I always bake with flax eggs, which, can I say, if you're making like a vanilla cake or probably this, it does change the color a little bit, so just be aware of that. Totally safe to just eat. This tastes so good. Update time. So I'm actually feeling super like motivated today. Oh, I just feel like good. I've been walking every day. I've been doing like exercising a little bit. And the difference, can I just tell you, insane. So the balanced lifestyle that I lead, we've just put a cake in the oven. So let's do a workout. I did do a walk this morning, as you saw, but I just feel like, why not? If you're feeling like doing more, why not? So I think I'm just gonna keep it pretty basic. I was super into deadlifts, so I might try deadlifting just the bar because I want to get back into it. Update time. Somehow I did 2 walks today. I'm not even kidding. I hit 10,000 steps has been achieved. So I'm exhausted. I'm going to shower, cook dinner, and go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this daily vlog. If you do want to see more of these, definitely let me know. Put a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you again for watching. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I will see you guys very soon. Thanks again. Bye.